Hello, my name is Michalia Shirun. I'm a doctor, medical doctor practicing in aesthetic medicine, hair regeneration, and also hair transplantation. I've arrived to Hairline Clinic, Hairline International Clinic, through friends. I'm working a lot with implanted patients. I've seen the works of Hairline International and was very impressed. I've decided to come here and study for a duration of more than a month, and I'm heartedly recommending this place for future implanters. This clinic is very experienced. They have a lot of experience with patients, about 3 patients a day, different indications, both males and females, eyebrows, beard, etc. And here you can learn and practice and go out afterwards and go to the world and do good work. I heartedly thank Dr. Irakli, Dr. Lela, Dr. Mako, Dr. Ketty, and all the beautiful staff for helping me, for teaching me every day something new and being so warm and so accepting. I do recommend everyone to come and study in Hairline International Clinic.